Push.
Pull it out.
All right. Hey, Rob. What you got there?
M&M's. I want to eat it after 1 hour.
All right. Do after.
Brush my teeth.
What are you doing here?
I want to help you.
Oh, okay.
It's not that cold.
All right. Okay.
I can reach.
I know. Go over here. Okay, there.
Here.
Here. Push. Good. Okay. Take this off. Put it like that.
What is that, Dada?
Just connect to the battery so give it power. That's a negative cable. Okay, come over here now. Uncle Tony's own alternator is bad. This is the one right here.
That's why it makes weird noises, like
Yeah.
arrow noises sometimes.
Yeah, it's not charging. Okay.
No. People might. This say Nevada.
Yes, it does. Okay, go ahead.
What is it, Dada?
Right there. Good job. Doing good. Alright,
Okay.
put it right over here. Pull this up to take off this connector.
Is that gas? That's where the gas goes?
Dang, that's hard.
Dad, you were grabbing gas.
Whew.
Does every car have this holding thingy?
Alternator, and this is a prop rod
Does
to
every
hold up the
car-
hood.
Does every car have this?
Yep, every car has that. Well, most of it. Other cars have struts.
What does that mean?
They're like shocks to hold it up. Hold it still like that. There we go. Let's try to. Oh, there we go. Oh, this is hard.
Dad, did we show our face yet?
Yeah, we did. Oh, this is hard. Whew.
Is that oily?
All right. Now, you got it? Right over here, Ra. Ready?
Can you help me?
Yeah, of course. Push down. Yeah. Ooh, be careful. Good. This one right here now.
Push it down, Dada.
There, like that.
Ow.
Oh, I'm sorry. You okay?
Yeah, I said you did flip.
Okay, now do it. Doing good. You like helping Daddy? Why do you like helping Daddy?
That's why I wanted to make money so we can go to Legoland.
Yeah, that's true. We're gonna go Legoland on March.
No, April.
Oh yeah, April. See, you remember. Okay, that's good.
That's why
Let me do it by hand.
That's why on my birthday I had to go to school. My birthday's on Wednesday, March 7th.
Yep.
I never worked under a car before, Dada.
Yes, you did. Remember when I did the oil change?
Oh yeah, now I remember. Dad, there's so many black in this garage.
Yeah.
Does garages always have black?
Yeah.
None of them have a lot of yellow.
No. All right, next one.
Nope.
Ready? And up, up. Ugh.
That's easy.
A little bit more. There we go.
Something might drop.
There's my socket. Okay, that's good. That's tight. Okay, here, try it. You'll be the first one. Now press it.
Press what?
Press that right there. Go for it. Whoa! Again, some more. Oh, that's enough. Awesome. Is this the Milwaukee one?
I like that one.
You do, huh? Makes it easier, right?
Yeah. So I just need to press them.
And then try to
Do you
take
have
off.
to turn off the car first?
Yeah, the car is off. Look like
Here's
this. There we go.
There.
All right, good.
Oh
Next,
my!
put it over there. Yeah,
That's big.
that is big, huh?
Bigger than the other one.
Yep.
Pull
Like
what?
this.
Oh.
There we go.
Is that the motor?
This is the alternator.
Oh.
It's already, this is the original. And, oh, bless you. Bless you.
Thank you.
So can you carry the oil and the filter? Huh? That one? Ooh, you got it?
Yeah.
Keep on.
That. Oh, strong.
You are strong. Good, put it on the ground. Put it over there. Got it? Just like that? Good. Slowly. Alright, put it on the ground slowly. Oh my gosh, you're so strong. Thank you.
Welcome. Does Dad carry, like, heavy things over his head?
He can, but it's not
Safe.
safe, yeah.
Daddy, those almost look the same.
They have to be the same, huh? Here. Okay, go. Good
Oh,
job.
that's easy.
That was, huh? Yeah, take that off. Awesome.
Cool.
We have to take this one off. Oh, yes. We're ready to put the new one on. But you can't really pop it. Ooh, yeah. Oh. It's done.
Why was so strong?
Whoa. Get the big bolt. Come on, Ra. Put it in. Push it. There. Now screw it in clockwise.
This way?
Yep.
Yeah,
that way.
hard.
Can do it? Okay, let Daddy do it.
Yeah.
Bring it.
That's better when it's that side, Dada.
Uh-huh.
That's why. It's better when you have big hands that side. I don't.
Stop. Good job. Get that bolt.
I gotta press it down.
We need to get the belt and put it on.
Belt.
The drive belt.
Can it work?
Yeah, it's good.
Ah.
Ready? And stop. Good job. We're almost done.
Yay. So that should not move?
Yep.
Oh.
One more time. Good job.
All of the work is right here, Dada. And
Yes.
one work is right there.
Okay, tighten this one up. Raw. This one up. Right here. Come on. Ready?
I was
Go.
blowing like a bug and I smashed it.
Go.
Slowbug yellow. Is that a slowbug or a Fiat?
That's a Fiat.
Oh. I'm gonna wash my hands.
You put this back.
It's not. Okay, I turn it out.
A bit more.
Ha, this is little.
A bit more. And stop. Good job.
It's pushing me all over here.
We're done.
Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands.
Okay, wash your hands.
I need soap.
That's good.
Dad, you need to wash your hands too.
I know. You could wash your hands first.
Scrub.
Scrub-a-dub-dub. I have to hook up the battery.
It's getting tight.
Yeah, make it really...
Clear.
Raw, it's good. Alternator's good. Hey, good job for helping me. How's it, guys? Fix It Angel here. Thanks for watching my video. Alright, let's do that tool giveaway. This is what I'll be raffling off. A 1/2-inch drive click torque wrench. Alright guys, let's do this. And the winner is... Congratulations to VerGGN14. I congratulate you on channel growth. I came along at 500. You're awesome. Hey, thank you for being a loyal follower. Alright, on my next video, I will be raffling off an oil filter wrench. So just comment here and I will announce the next winner on my next video. Alright, thank you. God bless. Peace.